So we're doing second derivative, November the 13th, 2020. We're looking at example 39, which says if f of x is equal to 4x e to the x, we're to find f double prime of x. And of course, f double prime of x is the second derivative. All right, so f of x is equal to 4x e to the x. This is a product where this would have been u and this would be v. So we're going to use the product rule in order to differentiate. And the product rule says that if y is equal to u, b, where u and v are functions of x, that dy by dx would be equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. In other words, leave the first, differentiate the second, plus differentiate the first, leave the second. So f prime of x, which is the first derivative. So I'm going to leave the first, which is 4x, differentiate the second, e to the x. When you differentiate e to the x, you're going to get back e to the x. So that is leave the first, differentiate the second, plus differentiate the first, which is, the first is 4x, and you differentiate that to get 4. Leave the second, you have e to the x. So this is the first derivative. All right, and if you look carefully, you'll see that what you got back was, you got back sort of largely, you got back what? F of x plus, plus 4e to the x. Because 4x e to the x is actually f of x. So let's differentiate again. F double prime of x. So we have to differentiate 4x e to the x, but we did that a while ago and we got 4x e to the x plus 4 e to the x. So we just differentiated the first, and then now we have to also, sorry, I'm afraid I don't want people miss the thing. So let's just do everything from scratch. I'm differentiating 4x e to the x. Leave the first, so that's 4x. Differentiate the second, e to the x, plus differentiate the first, 4, leave the second, e to the x, plus, now we have to differentiate this, 4e to the x. So when you differentiate 4e to the x, you're going to get back 4e to the x. So our final answer is 4x e to the x plus 8 e to the x, which I think is exactly what Chanel got, and it is correct. All right, let's turn the page. Any questions? Any comments?
So wait, please. Okay.
All right, example 40 says, given that y e to the minus 2x plus, y is equal to 4e to the minus 2x plus e to the minus 3x, we're to show that d2y by dx squared plus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. So let's start. Y is equal to 4e to the minus 2x plus e to the minus 3x. All right, it's actually not very difficult to differentiate these. So dy by dx, whenever you differentiate e to the x, you're going to get e to the x. So we're going to get back 4e to the minus 2x. Then we have to multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is minus 2. Plus, whenever I differentiate e to the minus 3x, I'm going to get back e to the minus 3x. So this is e to the minus 3x. And I have to multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is minus 3. So what I have here is that this is minus 8 e to the minus 2x minus 3 e to the minus 3x. So that is this is y is equal to, sorry, this is dy by dx. So now let us find d2y by dx squared. This is minus 8 e to the minus 2x times the differential of the inside function, which is minus 2, minus 3 e to the minus 3x times the differential of the inside function, which is minus 3. So here I would end up with 16 e to the minus 2x plus 9 e to the minus 3x. Now, d2y by dx squared plus 5 dy by dx, d2y by dx squared plus 5 dy by dx plus 6y would be equal to 16 e to the minus 2x plus 9 e to the minus 3x. That's d2y by dx squared plus 5 dy by dx, which is minus 8 e to the minus 2x minus 3 e to the minus 3x plus 6y, and y is 4 e to the minus 2x plus e to the minus 3x. Now all we need to do is just to simplify this and see where it goes. This is 16 e to the minus 2x plus 9 e to the minus 3x minus 40 e to the minus 2x minus 15 e to the minus 3x plus 24 e to the minus 2x plus 6 e to the minus 3x. Let's get all the e to the minus 2x together. We have 16 e to the minus 2x minus 40 e to the minus 2x plus 24 e to the minus 2x plus 9 e to the minus 3x minus 15 e to the minus 3x plus 6 e to the minus 3x. And without stretching your imagination, it's easy to see that this entire thing is going to come out to be equal to 0. Because 16 plus 24 is 40, 40 minus 40 is 0, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 minus 15 is 0. So d2y by dx squared plus 5 dy by dx plus 6y, when y is equal to 4 e to the minus 2x plus e to the minus 3x, d2y by dx squared plus 5 dy by dx plus 6y would be equal to 0.